Welcome to this tutorial on resetting a quiz attempt in Desire to Learn version 10.2. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually go inside of the course that we want to reset the quiz attempt for. And then if we go under our assessments tool right here, the third option down is titled Quizzes. So it shows us our current quiz right here, our Chapter 2 quiz. So maybe I have to go on and reset a student's quiz attempt for whatever reason. Well, to do that, all I have to do is just click on this little action button right beside the Chapter 2 quiz. And then if we select the second option, which is titled Grade. Now, it's important to note that this is separate from the actual grades area. This just shows you the grades of the students on this particular quiz. So if I select that, we can go on. We can search for the student's name that we want to reset the quiz attempt for. We can search for their first name, their last name, or their user ID, which would be their student ID. And then in here, we have some options as well we can restrict to, for example, all users, which I do recommend. That would be everyone in the class. You can also search for users who have not taken an attempt. So if I selected that and press this little magnifying glass up here, it would show me everyone in the class who hasn't yet taken this quiz. Users who have completed an attempt, which is anyone who has finished the quiz successfully. This is anybody who is either doing the quiz right now as we go on to search, or somebody who maybe did the quiz and didn't submit it properly. So that would count as an attempt in progress if they weren't able to successfully submit their quiz. Users with an overall score and users who have previewed attempts. So basically the only people that can preview attempts in our version of Desire to Learn is the instructor and TA roles. So for this demonstration, I do recommend going to select all users, and then you can select the magnifying glass, for example, and it would bring up absolutely everybody in this course. So if, for example, I want to reset Chester Copperpot's quiz attempt here, all I have to do is right next to his attempt right here, I can put a check mark inside of the box. And if I just scroll up here or to the bottom of the page, there's this little garbage can icon. So if I select that, it says reset attempt. This operation will permanently delete all data associated with these attempts of the quiz. Are you sure that's how you want to proceed? And once you delete the quiz, there is no recovering it. So just make sure that you really want to delete the user's attempt before clicking yes. And we say yes. And then if we scroll down here, we can see that Chester Copperpot's attempt has been reset for him. So this concludes the tutorial on resetting a quiz attempt in Desire to Learn.